Good morning, students. How are you all? I welcome you in EVS online class. So, I hope you were doing your work also and you are fit, fine, and happy and all, isn't it? So, yesterday we were doing chapter number 12 Dirty Water Spreads Diseases. Right? We were doing book exercise and we have done question number 3 and today we are going to do question number 4. So let's begin. Why should we not allow स्टैग्नेशन में पानी को खड़ा होना स्टैग्नेशन ऑफ वाटर हमें पानी को खड़े होने से क्यों रोकना चाहिए हमें ऐसे क्यों नहीं अलाउ करना चाहिए कि पानी खड़ा रहे आंसर इज स्टैग्नेंट वाटर इन stagnant water many small organisms or insects are there and mosquitoes are seen और मच्छर भी देखे गए हैं these are caused by different diseases और ये बीमारियां पैदा करते हैं ओके इसलिए हमें पानी को इकट्ठा होना नहीं रोकना चाहिए अलाउ नहीं करना चाहिए नेक्स्ट इज योर एग्जामिनेशन टाइप क्वेश्चंस okay next is your examination type question here you can see from the book I will just write the answer read the symptom of disease in the following table and identify the disease yellowness eyes and nails yellow urine this disease is called I am writing the disease okay but you in the notebook you have to write full okay first one is jaundice 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 in notebook you have to write the full sentence here I am not writing okay you have to draw the table lose motion 4-5 times a day stomach ache answer is diarrhea DIARRHOEA diarrhea loss of appetite continuous stomach ache answer is third worm infection okay this one is for first one okay now come second question read the symptom disease in these symptoms are given and identify the disease same only dryness of tongues and lips and lesser urination is called diarrhea so second one First is diarrhea. Second, continuous fever, pain in hand and feet, later paralysis of effect. When paralysis of effect means that is polio. Third one, white, loose motions and vomiting. Okay, so that is jaundice. Third one, table. Look at the names of disease. Here the name of a disease is given and mention the reason for spread. Why they are spreading, we have to mention the reason behind it. Dengue now means who will spread, okay? Who spread the disease? So Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito spread. First one, Aedes mosquito. Malaria, who spread malaria? Female. Anopheles, female anopheles. Anopheles, mosquito. Okay. Next is jaundice. Contaminated this is contaminated. CONTAMINATED. Contaminated water and food. So this is answer third. Now come fourth one. Answer second, answer third, and now I am doing answer number fourth. First, read the symptoms of disease given in the following table and identify and write down the name of a disease. Here also you have to write down the name of a disease. Fever, feeling cold. Answer is malaria. Second, पेन इन मसल्स एंड जॉइंट. जब आपको मसल्स में और जॉइंट्स में दर्द हो गया तो चिकनगुनिया. CHIKUNGUNYA, chikungunya. Okay. Next, loss of appetite, worm in stomach or worm infection. Okay, worm in stomach. Worm. Worm, WORMS, worms in stomach. Okay, and our fifth one. Answer number fifth, first one, dysentery. Dysentery is also known as diarrhea. Okay, so less. Answer is less urine. And second one is loose motion. Loose motion. Second one, worm infection. So answer is loss of appetite. APPETITE, appetite, and pale face. Second is pale face and stomach ache, पेट में दर्द होना, stomach ache. So these are the symptoms of a diseases. Okay, so now your book exercise is over, and now I am giving you extra questions, okay, that you have to write down in your notebook in good handwriting. So extra question, first I am giving you fill in the blanks. You give heading in your notebook extra questions. Extra questions. See, fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one is dash do not come from the flowing water of the river. In flowing water, what do not come? Answer is bad odor. Bad odor. Odor means smell. Okay, ODOUR means smell. Okay, next, mosquitoes lay eggs in dash water. मॉस्किटो कहाँ पे एग ले करते हैं? अक्यूमुलेटेड वाटर. ACCUMLATED accumulated water. Okay, third one, yellow tint eyes and nails और eyes येलो होते हैं जब, are main symptoms of SYMP main symptoms of dash disease. कौन सी डिसीज है? जॉन्डिस. JAUNDICE. Okay, then fourth one, dash mosquito lay their eggs on clean water. जो साफ पानी में देते हैं वो कौन से मॉस्किटो होते हैं? क्लीन वाटर. तो दैट इज एडिस मॉस्किटो. ओके, एडिस मॉस्किटो lay their egg on clean water. So you can write here at home. Clean water at home or clean water anywhere. Okay, so they lay egg on a clean water addis. So this all for today. So you have to complete this extra question as well as book exercise in your notebook in good handwriting, and then click picture and send it to me so that I can check it. So that's all for the day. Complete your work in your notebook on the same day. So take care. bye bye.